Guys, I have a special treat for the channel. Today will be the day I will be starting the cooking playlist on my channel. Now, we will not be using my cookbook that I showed in a previous video because we will not need it. We will only need that one for special things. We are going to be making a coconut supreme cake. Now, this is the first time I have made a cake without anybody helping me, so we'll also be having this creamy cream cheese. Okay, so so I need this thing. Guys, don't make fun of me. This is the first time ever. I was gonna move it like this. So I got the cake here. It says alright, let's get the cake mix out. Alright, cake mix.
I need to use a knife.
Nah.
I use a knife so it doesn't.
Yeah, okay. Come on. Do not try this at home unless you are of age.
Then just pour it.
Alright. We got the cake mix done. Put that right there. Water. Where's the thing?
Here.
1 cup.
Did you go already?
Huh? Hold on, I'm making a video. Oil. How much? 1/3 a cup of
It's on the other side, I think.
No, it's right here. I see it. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're doing good so far, I think.
Now crack your 3 eggs into that cup before you put it in there to make sure that you don't get a shell.
Well, I think we're doing good so far, guys. I think we're making some progress. Let's get the eggs. Over here, we will need 3 eggs. Yep.
What do you want me to do?
Whoo! I just cracked my counter. How do I clean that up?